Hello everyone. So this is an unboxing video of a mobile phone called Realme Narzo N53. So this is a feature gold color which I've ordered, and it is a 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM. Okay. So let me just go ahead and quickly unbox this. I don't know. I'll just quickly go ahead and yeah, that's all it is. Keeping the cover aside. So this is all exactly this came from I think. I don't know from where it is. I don't want to get into detail, but anyhow, this is how exactly I've got it from Amazon. The next thing is let me quickly unbox this. And here is the bill box, keeping it aside. And yeah, this is a box which where it has a brand logo. It's from Realme N53 Narzo. This is how exactly it looks like. Here you can see 33-watt super walk charger. It comes with 5000 mAh battery. This is a massive battery, of course. I think this phone is very good for the battery backup. And apart from that, this particular phone I have just purchased it for 8000 maybe. That's it. Not more than that. Have you spent a lot on this? And let me go ahead and quickly unbox this, as you have already seen a lot of information about this phone. And so this is what, and let me tell you, this color is feature gold, and this is the model number, IME number, you usually get it. So let's see, how would I just go ahead and unbox this? Okay, here it is. Let me check. So I would just sorry if I'm just taking much time, do not mind that. Okay, so here you go. I've tried unboxing, tried taking it off. So now let me see how would I go ahead and okay, so there's one more seal over here. I wish I can just turn this box off. It really annoys me. Anyhow, so here is a box where I've just tried taking it out. So I think this is the cover. Let me just take out the cover. Okay, so stickering and all, keeping it aside, slowly removing it. Yeah, so very good cover, not bad, trust me. Feels really good. So I think it can just last for about 1 or 2 months maybe, but anyhow it's up to your usage. It really depends on. Here is our mobile phone. This is what exactly it looks like. Let me come to the mobile phone in a quick moment, but so let me just open the charger. So this is the charger where it is a 33-watt super walk. This is how exactly it looks like, where you would have the information about the product number, whatnot. You can check it out. And this is the type C cable. No need to unbox this, you already know. USB like type C port, where it usually helps you to connect to your charger, of course. And let me see if anything else is present inside this box. I don't see anything. Yeah, so that is it, nothing much. What could you expect inside this phone, man, for 8 grand? But anyhow, I'm keeping everything aside. Okay, so now let me just go ahead and talk about this particular phone, how exactly it is. So yeah, let me open this. First thing, this is the first time I'm opening this particular phone. Oh my god, trust me guys, I don't know what to tell you, but the quality, it's really premium. The literally I really like the build quality of this phone. It is very lightweight in hand. I feel like, I don't know, like this is like really light in weight. I don't know how much weight it has, but it's very light in weight. It has like yeah, like 3 cameras what you see, but this is not a camera, this is a flashlight and given just for a design. But when it comes to the premium feel and the look, So this is really good. See, you cannot see any sorts of see, I have some dust on my fingers. I'm trying to do it, I'm not able to get any sorts of a thing. So this is the best part. You can use it with care inside this. And here you would have the type C, phone, microphone, speaker, whatnot. Here is the slim slot and nothing much. Here you would have the plus and minus volume, and this is inbuilt finger power on, power, restart, power off, shut down. And apart from that is a lock button where you can also have this inbuilt fingerprint sensor to it. Okay, so now let me go ahead and turn this on, turn this video on, turn this mobile phone. So the first thing, it vibrates. It has a realme branding powered by Android. It let me tell you the specifications if you want. The specifications, it is just like 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM. Just hold on for a bit. I would like to give you the complete how exactly it looks like. Okay, so the first thing, it says hello. Let's go ahead and say English. You do a basic setup, whatever, whichever the region you are from. Okay, and then you can pretty much finish your particular setup and try to use it. But you know what, see, this is just an unboxing video, so I don't want you to bore you in terms of operating this and all this particular stuff. If you like the video, please do subscribe, and if you have any questions, do comment and like the video. Please appreciate the efforts. And apart from that, after this video, I would like to also review how exactly the operating is, how exactly the options or the operating is, everything. So thank you for watching this. Have a great day. Bye.